So here we are at Stockyards. I'm we're at the Longhorn viewing area, the viewing deck. And I saw this old, is it a turnstile? Is that what it's called? Check this out. So this is going to influence some design someday. Here we go. Whenever I see a design or something I think is cool, then I do a little video or picture or something like that for later. How about that, huh? This is a cool one. Anyway, maybe it's not that special to other people, but it's special to me, special enough that I would show you because you're my friend. Oh. Stella, what do we got?
Oh, you'll see baby birds. You see? They're in there. They're in here, Dad. They're in the hole. I can't really see. And the mother just left the nest. You could see it flew out, and I think it went to go get something for them.
Oh, how motherly of the bird. Get some grubs or bugs or worms or something and then throw them up, right? That's so motherly. Look at that. It's a flex tester thing. These are wet, these are dry. They're checking flexibility and how durable the leather is and if it's good enough to send off. We're here at the tannery. This is the for the waterproof leather for Timberland. They do this in here. This is pretty cool when you see that going. That is Satra. These guys know everything. That's kind of the ultimate. Different testers here. Yeah, pretty cool stuff around here. The tannery.
Ew, wait, what?
It's got green eyes.
He does. Oh, he does. That is creepy. They're like bright green. They're like disgusting. Look up close, Chris. You'll see their eyes. Oh. Do you see that? Ew!
Got green eyes in that thing. All right, guys, what are we doing here?
Well, I told my dad not to come in here. But and then he comes in the quicksand.
Well, you know, when the mud's real soft, it's just, I don't know. Now I'm gonna go get the tractor, but it's pretty stuck in here. So I heard once that from a wise man, and he said, dude, the juice has to be worth the squeeze. This juice is worth the squeeze. So here we go. Got Greg here. And he's gonna see what he can do. Bet we can get it. Honestly, I don't think she'll really notice. If I just drive fast, I bet a lot of that would just come right out. Man, it's gonna be a noisy trip to church this morning. Oh.